Okay, so you have the background story. I break up a lot. I write about it. And that's it. So you heard about this girl that worked with computers. This story, this second story, is about it's about breakups in the era of social media. You know, now it's different now because like, I don't know, 10, 20 years ago, you just like did things like face to face, you know. But now we have this thing about social media. So when you break up, you can do all kind of shits with Facebook and Twitter and Instagram and whatever. So now when people break up, they start like uploading lots of shit on their Facebooks. You know, like a link to a YouTube video about a song that means something to the other person, but only she or he will understand it, you know. And you like click and you say, this will show her. And lots of like, you know, like this picture of the sea and the shore in a sunset, and a shitty quote like, better be alone than with bad company. And that kind of shit. So well, that's kind of breakups in the era of social media. And of course, I had one of those. So this one, yeah, it has several parts. I'm going to read a little. I could do it without reading, but I really love this hat. So I'm going to read just to be able to put this on. You may not notice, but I do have a big head. So let's see if this. Oh, you know. Sorry, Metka. But still, yeah, it still goes. Okay, kind of. So here we go about breakups in the era of social media. 1. My neurosis gave a Troy horse to my judgment inside an army of commonplaces. One day, I woke up and understood the vacations. I need to take my neurosis to a place where it has nothing to play with. For yes or no, things have remedy. 2. Someone posts a picture of a place where I know you're gonna be. I automatically search for you in every pixel to see if a curl sticks out behind the head or if the colors of one of your dresses glint, those which stands out between the gray that impregnates everything. I find myself turning my head as if I could change the picture's angle, as if I was there where you are. Where are you? As if there was anything left other than leave you through others' people, through pictures they take, through comments they make, as I turn my head to see something, to hear something, to find in the others something of what you were. 3. I'm hating a Facebook contact. I'm seriously thinking about eliminating him. He's a good guy. I know it. He's, in fact, the boyfriend of a good friend, but he had the dreadful idea of taking a picture, a profile picture, that it's almost identically to yours. So I stand there in my home, thinking that it's you who post something that has something to do with me, like I do, or like I would, if desperation wouldn't want to pride. But no, it's him posting something that I don't care, that I would never care because he doesn't even know you. I'm hating not to hate you, eliminating not to eliminate you, and above all, I'm putting in you that of what I don't want to take responsibility. 4. Let's play a war of songs. I post one about oblivion. You, one about resentment. Let's talk through others people's words, as ours never fix anything. Music can be noise. Silence, too. 5. I write I love you on the cell phone, and the predictive suggests your name. Technology advances fast, but not as fast as feelings. You turned obsolete way before my cell phone, so I recycle you as words in my head. We complain about electronic devices, but nothing is better than love when it comes to brand obsolescence. How long will it take for my cell phone to stop suggesting you? How long for my neurosis? 6 last. Until one day, you're just another post. The weather, a YouTube video, and you. Nothing that stands out. It seems like it's going to rain. That song is good. I remember you, but I don't care. I doesn't want you dead. You and my neurosis enjoy a good health. Fortunately, there are friends no more. I open WhatsApp and Messenger and you're not there. It will be a matter of going back, but I'm not moving a finger for you. I said this without resentment, with the same indifference with which I now watch it rain. The weather is going to be nice this weekend. That YouTuber is not that funny. I remember you, but I don't care.